Happy New Year, everyone. Today is January 11th, 2022. It's been a while since my last update, but here we are. Yes, we had a huge snowstorm last week, and I didn't really do anything special to prepare the jujubes. I figured they'll be okay. So far they seem to be okay. I guess can't really tell until springtime, so until then, just hope they survive. Here is Ann Admire. Autumn Beauty. Honey Jar. So early spring, I'll come back out here and cut it down. I like to keep it a bit shorter than right now. This one is 7 feet tall. The Shanxi Li is about 8 feet tall. So I'll prune the Shanxi Li down to here 5 feet. And I did do a scratch test on Shanxi Li, and it is still alive for now. Sorry, Shanxi Li. Anyways, see you next time, and thanks for watching.